Hello team YouTube, my name is Khatait and my YouTube channel's name is Triple K Videos. I am working on YouTube since 24th Feb 2017 and my channel's link is as below. Here is my channel link. I have uploaded more than 60 video on my YouTube channel, but unfortunately my channel has been rejected from monetization YPP program because of free use content. Now I want to show you that these all videos on my own creation with the help of my mobile. I have live recorded programs and comedy with my own mobile phone, and still I am not approving for monetization. Now I want to show you some of my videos content on my YouTube studio. Here is my video which I have uploaded on my channel. These videos are originally created and edited by me myself. In these videos, I have not used even a single computer generated tone or voice. If I use any music in these videos, that is taken by YouTube audio music library, and if I used their music, then give credit to him on my videos description. And also my hobby is live videography and habitual to store video of live shows, but it is mistake by YouTube team during the checking of my channel that it is considered as a reuse content. Dear YouTube team, even a single part of my videos are taken from my own videographed videos. Dear YouTube team, now I want to show you how to I have edited my videos. I use YouTube movie maker where I edit my videos. For example, I have opened YouTube movie maker. I show you some videos editing as demo. Choose a video, choose an intro, choose logo, choose text, and finally publish the video as local. I hope you will again accepted my channel in YouTube partner program and enable monetization of my channel. Thanks and regards, Khatait, Triple K Videos.